Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on temporarily deactivating your Threads account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Deactivating your Threads account isn't permanent. You can reactivate it anytime you want. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. From your profile page, tap the two lines button from the top right of the screen to open Settings. In Settings, select Account. In Account Settings, tap Deactivate Profile. If you are sure, tap Deactivate Threads Profile. Your Threads account is now inactive and you will be logged out. Your profile, threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back into your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.